Sai Chaitanya, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So this is a special video which I'm trying to do right now. So the reason why I'm saying special because right now I'm traveling from Melbourne to India. So in India, Hyderabad especially. So this is a second wave which is going on right now. So during this journey I'll try to record all the activities as well. So that is the reason couple of days I'm not that frequent in uploading the videos. So because I was trying to move back to India. So right now I got all the boarding pass ready with me, and I'll try to explain my journey as well in this video a little bit, not much. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts, and if you want me to upload any other videos related to this journey, definitely I'll do my best. And for the next couple of 2 days I'll be keep on traveling, so because my journey is about 37 hours overall. So this is just part 1 video which I'll be uploading today itself. So once I upload the video I'll be flying through the Abu Dhabi. So and the airlines which I selected is the Etihad Airlines, which I right now selected. And so Etihad Airlines goes to the Abu Dhabi, and from Abu Dhabi it goes to Hyderabad. So right now that flight journey is about 14 hours. So at 14 hours I'll be traveling, and one couple of things I'll be explaining in this part 1. I won't be keep on talking complete video. So first thing is that what are the gadgets which I'm carrying right now. So that is another question. So there's one power bank which is of 26,000 mAh of power bank, so which will keep on charging all the gadgets. And which phone I'll be using is that Samsung's M51, which has 7,000 mAh of battery. I do have other couple of phones as well with me, but I won't be using them. So I'll be just using the 7,000 mAh of battery. So this is a phone which I charged completely to 100%, and let me try to turn it on right now. So I charged and I did switch off as well. So this is a phone which I'll be using as well, as you can see, M51. So I'll be uploading this part 1 video as a first. This is my, I think this is a second vlogging video which I'm trying to do, vlogging video. So first was, I think, when for the trip, and this is my journey vlogging type first video which I'm trying to do. And make sure to comment below, friends, if you want me to do any other information, if you want me to cover, definitely I'll do my best. So I'll try to speak about all other things like flight, what is the cost of the flight, and what are the other flights available, and what are the reason I am trying to move back to India, and all those things I'll try to cover. So don't forget to comment below as well. And very soon I'll be uploading lot of videos once I reach back to my hometown. So let's see, friends, let's hope for the best as well. So I'll keep you posted about this journey, and in case if your friends or any of family members, if they're willing to come back to India, this information might be much helpful to them as well. So right now I'm recording everything using the GoPro, not the smartphone. So since I want to keep all my gadgets fully charged, all the smartphones, so I don't want to drain the battery. So this is a part 1 video only. So my flight starts at around 9:25, and my boarding time will be around they'll start around 8:25. So there are a couple of 20 minutes more. So my complete flight journey takes about 37 hours, and from Melbourne to Abu Dhabi it takes about, I think, 14 hours. So 14 hours I'll be traveling non-stop from Melbourne to Abu Dhabi continuously. And let's see, in this 14 hours I'll keep myself busy. Even I'll try to record all the videos possible. So let's see, friends. And is my Samsung phone got ready, turned on successfully, and it's about 99% of battery, and I'll try to use only this Samsung phone. Let's see whether I can reach my home without even charging this Samsung phone. And in case if you want to have any other doubts or any questions, feel free to comment below. So definitely I'll do my best to comment below as well. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, bye.